Hello. So with this introduction, my name is George Lemos. Um, as registered at Front Range Community College, I go by George Lemos. Any nickname I use, don't really use any nicknames. Let's see, I live in Fort Collins, Colorado. Brief personal bio. Let's see, I've been tinkering with computers since early 1995, building PCs and such. Uh, been going to school since 2011. Let's see, I graduated in fall 2013 with my associates, uh, computer network administration with a focus on Microsoft products. Then I started my, let's see, bachelor's a year later, close to 2015. Currently, I'm working on my master's degree, and my bachelor's focus was just information technology. My master's focus is in I just forgot what it was. My master focus is um, enterprise systems engineering. That's what it is. That's the name for it. Let's see. So I go to school full time and I teach full time. My technical background, including computer experience. Let's see. I know how to build computers. I build computers all the time. I'm currently messing with one computer. If you'd like to take a look at the computer I'm messing with, please follow hashtag awesome A plus on Instagram. That's completely spelled out, awesome A plus. And you can kind of see what I'm building on or what students at Front Range in my courses are currently working on. We do post those regularly, or try to get students to post those. Can't always twist their arm, but that's a good place to check out what other students are doing in my classes. Computer experience. At this point, I'd say I'm pretty experienced in computers. I know a lot. Mess around with computers a lot. Mess around with security items a lot. Pretty good experience. Why am I taking this online course? I like to talk about computer security, information security. Um, Basically, I guess the computer world uh, is my hobby, and I found a way to get paid for in, informing other people about my hobbies. So this is kind of how I got into this. Um, Please post any initial questions you have. Feel free to ask me any additional questions. I've been asked some really strange questions in face-to-face class, like how much do I lift? Um, so don't be afraid to ask any questions. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. And please get those initial posts in by Wednesday so people can respond to and get to know you just a little bit on that first week of class. Thanks.